United Industrial Supplies are a workshop consumable distributor, predominantly into the bus and coach market, and we supply across the UK. So I've worked with the company for 21 years and it's been under 3 different ownerships over that time. Unfortunately, after only a couple of years with the being sole ownership of the business, the managing director, Chris Howe, passed away. He asked Fiona and I before he passed if we would take on director roles within the business.
We realised that we had to grow the business because there was no other option for us but to change what we were doing and thinking about how to do things differently. So we initially spoke to Fife College to ask about training opportunities that were available.
So I was first introduced to Rosalind and Fiona from Fife College. The business was going through an incredible change at the time, and they knew they needed help and support but didn't know what support was out there. We had a chat and we decided that Skills for Growth would be the best project. We really got down to a scoping meeting with them to decide what was their main challenges and how we were going to move forward. We spoke to the staff about what their challenges were in the business, what was going great in the business, what did they feel were the great positive things and what could be improved, what could we do to make it better for them. And from that I then wrote a People Skills Action Plan.
Catherine and Skills for Growth allowed us to interview the entire workforce, which I think is key because we were involving everybody in understanding how we could improve the business.
So speaking to the employees, one of the challenges had been round about the processes and procedures in place and how the workshop was flowing at the time. It could maybe bring some challenges in at different types of members of staff. So what we did is we highlighted Scottish Enterprises SMAS team. I knew they would come in and they'd be able to work with Rosalind and Fiona on how to improve the layout, the processes and different lean procedures and lean methodology to help them.
The manufacturing review that we offer, which is a for free 1-day review, is getting a SMAS practitioner to come on site for 1 day, look at everything you do and write a report of what you do that is good, what you do that you could improve.
We all work together to define the projects that we were going to work on. I think now we're at around about 12 projects, 4 or 5 are finished now. As far as I'm concerned, based on where we are, there's loads that we can do.
And it's really contributed to a more positive culture within United Industrial. And I think it's contributed to our growth as well because we have a positive culture where people feel listened to.
We have seen the company turn around since we've been in charge, from being not making any profit to now being a profitable business. So we're seeing a lot of efficiencies and cost savings, and a lot of these ideas are actually coming from the team that work for us. Working with SDS has been absolutely fantastic. It's just wonderful to know that there's people out there who can support small businesses and not to be shy to go and ask for support and help.